up a 1.5 mile warm up, a mile all out sprint pretty much, and then a cool down with a 1.5 miles. So looking forward to it. It's going to be a burner. I'm going to give it all I got, see what my mile time's at, then go from there. Ain't nothing to it but to do it. It's Thursday, let's finish strong. All right, just knocking out my first 1.5 miles. Got a mile here to go here in a second, but got to knock out 2 100-meter sprints. Before that, the warm-up felt pretty good, pretty easy, wearing my tempo shoes just to see what it does on my mile time. But yeah, let's see what happens. Let's go. I just knocked out my second 100-meter dash. As you can see, I'm going down this path. Second one felt way faster. Gave it a little bit more, but still wish I had my watch to kind of stop me, because I felt like I went just a little farther, 0.8 maybe. So yeah, watch would definitely help with these intervals. But I'm gonna rest about a minute and then go for all out mile sprint. Let's see what happens. Let's go. All right, so I finished my second round of sprints. Now I got to get ready for the mile run time, and I brought my little buddy along, the HoverAir X1 Pro Max drone. It's going to be in dolly track mode, so it stays in front of me. But I want to capture it on video just to see how I actually do, and be able to replay the film and see where there's, you know, improvements for my form, or just, yeah, overall breathing techniques, posture and things of that nature. So I do want to yeah, just test it out. I'm going to start it. Let's see what happens.
Rise up, lace up, let the rhythm take the lead. City lights blurring in a blur of speed. City lights blurring in a blur of speed. 1 foot, then the other, through the sun and rain. Pushing
finishing up that mile run all out. Not too sure what the time is, but I'll make sure to add it here. Had the drone following me. It hit a tree, unfortunately. Didn't have good maneuvers, so I had to pause my watch and kept going, or grabbed it and kept going. But yeah, another little thing that kind of messed up the rhythm. So have all these factors, my watch, the drone now playing a part into it. I'm testing on a few different apps too, so it's a lot to maintain, but also just want to capture the data, see how it could be perform better. But yeah, it's definitely burning. I can feel it in my lungs. Excited to see what the time was, but now I just got to cool down 1.5 miles, and should be easy peasy compared to what we just did. Let's get after it though. All right, just finishing up my 1.5 mile cool down. Overall, I thought it went great. Excited to see the times, but yeah, one thing to note and learn from this run was just, proper preparation is going to prevent poor performance. It's a common model, but failed to do that today. I didn't want to set my watch, thought it was going to be easy, but ended up messing me up a lot, and decided to bring my drone. It crashed during my mile that I was supposed to go all out, so that also slowed me down. But lessons learned, let's apply it to the next run. Let's go.